up, guys? I don't know if you guys can hear me. Welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm going to test this battery for you guys to see how many range I get, how many miles on one charge in this cold weather. Alright, stay tuned. Yep, we back. Just took a small ride today. And guess what, guys? I don't know if you can see that. I did 28 minutes, 7 seconds. That's 8.7 miles. So this is what it get me, and I don't know if you guys can see. Give me a minute. I have 3 bar left. And I was using race mode, so that's not bad. Plus it's really cold today. I feel like it's 20, but it's like probably 26, 27, I'm not sure, but I feel like 20 degrees. But there you go, guys, just a short video. I still have juice on this battery right here, this bad boy, so I'm gonna use this going back home. So what can I say, man? I love my 13 what do you call it, 13 amp 52 volt. I'm good with those two, so I should be good in the summer with two battery. One right there, that's the one I just got this year, so I hope to just last me for, you know, whatever. It got 1 year warranty. If something happened, contact the customer service and you're all good. So yeah, man, so far so good. So, and I was using pedal and a little bit of throttle, but mostly pedaling. But that's not bad, man, for 3 bars. That's great. And you know, look, this is Staten Island, that's Brooklyn, Arizona Bridge. Nice view. And I'm right here. I'm just scrambling. My best bike ever. Even though I still love my Sander 4X, but I'm gonna use this more. But there you go, guys. So if you got anything, leave a like and a comment. Tell me what you think. If that's good for you, that's bad. If you want more battery, more range, go for it. I spent $300 and I'm good with that, man. Till next time. Peace.